Hello, everyone. My name is Joshua Garcia, and the following presentation is for communication theory. Today, we're going to discuss symbolic interaction theory, a communication theory developed by George Herbert Mead. This theory examines how people use symbols to create and interpret meaning in their interactions with others. I'm going to explain the theory's primary assumptions, related concepts, and how it can be applied to different communication contexts. By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of how this theory relates to our everyday communication experiences and why it's important to understand. The key concepts of symbolic interaction theory are based on the ideas about language, the self, and the relationship of self to society. Symbolic interaction theory seeks to explain how humans use symbols, such as language, to create meaning in their interactions with others. This theory is associated with the interpretive tradition and emphasizes qualitative research methods. The theory's primary assumption is that individuals construct meaning via the communication process. The second assumption is that self-concept is a motivation for behavior. And the third assumption of symbolic interaction theory is that a unique relationship exists between the individual and society. These concepts support the first assumption of symbolic interaction theory. The first is that humans act toward others based on the meaning those others have for them. Meaning is created in an interaction between people. Meaning is modified through an interpretive process. All three of these concepts support the first assumption. The second assumption is that self-concept is a motivation for behavior. The following also support the second assumption. Individuals develop self-concepts through interactions with others. Self-concepts provide an important motive for behavior. The third assumption and supporting key concepts. A unique relationship exists between the individual and society. People and groups are influenced by cultural and social processes. Social structure is worked out through social interaction. Some related concepts in the theory include the self, which is constructed through social interaction, and the generalized other, which refers to the shared social norms and values of a community. The symbolic interaction theory is useful because it provides insight into how communication shapes our social reality. However, one of its shortcomings is that it doesn't account for structural factors such as power and equality. Moving right along, some examples of the application. Symbolic interaction theory can be applied into different communication contexts. This includes intrapersonal, organizational, and political and mass media communication. In an intrapersonal context, the theory can be used to explain how individuals create and negotiate meanings in their relationships. In an organizational context, the theory can be used to analyze how organizational culture is created through communication. In a political and mass media context, the theory can be used to examine how media messages are interpreted and influence public opinion. So, how can we relate this theory to everyday communication? We can apply the insights of symbolic interaction theory to our everyday communication experiences. The theory highlights the importance of considering the meanings we and others attach to different symbols and how they shape our interactions. By being aware of this, we can better understand the perspectives of others and communicate more efficiently with them. The justification of importance. Symbolic interaction theory is valuable because it helps us understand the significance of communication in our social world. By understanding how we use symbols to create meaning, we can become more aware of the impact our communication has on others and the social reality we inhabit. Additionally, this theory helps us appreciate the complexity of human communication and its role in shaping our experiences. In summary, symbolic interaction theory is a communication theory that emphasizes the role of symbols in creating meaning in our social interactions. By understanding this theory, we can better appreciate the significance of communication in our everyday lives. Remember to consider the meanings we and others attach to different symbols and how they shape our interactions. Thank you for watching.